break my face. Here's the intro riff. Started with the 2 finger on the 2nd fret of the G, open G, 3rd fret D, back to open G, back to 3rd fret D, open D, 3rd fret G, 3rd fret A, open D, 3rd fret A, open A, 1st fret on the E. The first lick. Now the second one is 2 on G, open G, 3 D, open G, 3 D, open D, 3A, open A, 3A, open D, 3 D. The important part about, or an important part about making this sound like the recording is that you want to palm mute. Now, palm muting, what does that mean? That means you're taking this part of your palm, this meaty part right here, and you're placing it on that part of the bridge, just right on the edge of where the string meets the cutoff. So, like if this whole thing is the bridge, you're not putting your hand back here and resting it, and you're not putting it so that you're ahead of it. You got to be like right on there so you can get that muted sound. So if we go to play the riff, also I have the capo on the 1st fret. Now there are other ways to play this without the capo, and then when you go to play the chords, you have different chord shapes, which make different chord sounds. So the first chord we're playing is a D minor shape. Come on, focus up here. Is a D minor shape, and but that makes a D sharp chord. D sharp minor, I should say. So your first finger goes on the 1st fret of the E, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B. Strumming 4 strings. And then your 2nd chord is a G, 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, high E, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, low E, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the A. All strings. The next chord is a B flat, 1st finger, 1st fret of the high E, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, and 4th finger are all on the 3rd fret of the D, G, and B strings. And you're strumming 4 strings for this guy. And then you can either slide those 3 fingers down, taking that 1st finger off and strumming all of the strings for an A, or if it's more comfortable for you to take them all off and put the 3 fingers, the first 3 fingers, with the 3rd on the B, 2nd on the G, and 1st on the D on the 2nd fret. And this is all relative to the capo to play the A. That's cool. Then you're back to a D minor again with the 1 here, the 2 here, and the 3 here. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, E, G, B. 4 strings. And then you're moving to an F chord where you're barring the whole 1st fret. And then you have your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A, 4th finger, 3rd fret of the D. And when you go to bar, you want to remember to lean on the side of your finger. So you see how I'm getting marks here? That way you get more of a flattened. But the other thing to remember is that you only have to make this note and these two notes happen with the bar. The other three are covered with these 3 fingers. F chord, and then back to a B flat, which we played a second ago. First finger on the first fret of the E, second finger, second fret of the D, third fret of the D, first finger, first fret of the E, second finger, third fret of the D, third finger, third fret of the G, fourth finger, third fret of the B. And you're playing 4 strings again. And that keeps repeating. Now, how long do you play each one of these things? 2 beats. So you're just going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think that last one is 4. And then you start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.